In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects on your Windows PC or Mac using Adobe's official free trial. Let's get started. First, open the link in the description below. It will take you to Adobe's official website. Select your country, then click Start Free Trial. Next, you'll see 3 plan options: Individual, Business, and Students and Teachers. If you're downloading After Effects for personal use, choose the Individual plan. If you're purchasing for a team or company, you can select the Business plan instead. The Individual plan includes a 14-day free trial and a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. Click Continue to move to the next step. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then fill in the required information, including your payment details. Adobe requires a payment method to start the trial, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. After that, click Agree and Subscribe. On the next screen, create a secure password for your Adobe account and complete the account setup. Now open the second link in the description and download the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Once the download is complete, install Creative Cloud and sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. After signing in, go to the Apps section, find Adobe After Effects, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it's complete, click Open to launch Adobe After Effects, and you're ready to start creating amazing motion graphics and visual effects. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.